Here's a summary of Okta's Q2 2026 earnings call, designed for clear and concise delivery. Start as summary. Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you for joining us for Okta's second quarter fiscal year 2026 earnings call. Today, we'll be hearing from Todd McKinnon, our CEO, and Brett Tighe, our CFO, with Eric Kelleher, our COO, joining for Q&A. Key financial highlights and management commentary. Okta reported solid Q2 results, demonstrating continued strength across several key areas. Large customers. A strong performance with their enterprise customer base. Auth0 platform. Continued success with the Auth0 platform. New products. New offerings like Okta Identity Governance, Okta Privileged Access, and Identity Security Posture Management saw a strong contribution. Public sector. The public sector business performed well, with significant deals, including their largest of the quarter with the DOD, highlighting Okta's role in modernizing access systems and meeting cybersecurity mandates. Cash flow. Strong cash flow generation remains a key focus and achievement. Management's outlook and forecasts. Brett Tighe, CFO, provided an optimistic outlook. Removal of conservatism. Okta has removed previous conservatism regarding macroeconomic uncertainty and the federal vertical, as these concerns did not materialize as anticipated. Go-to-market realignment. Encouraging signals are emerging from their newly specialized go-to-market teams, including improved sales productivity and record pipeline generation. Q3 and FY 2026 guidance. For Q3 FY 2026, Okta expects total revenue growth of 9% to 10%, current RPO growth of 10%, a non-GAAP operating margin of 22%, and free cash flow margin of approximately 21%. For the full year FY 2026, Okta is raising its outlook to expect total revenue growth of 10% to 11%, a non-GAAP operating margin of 25% to 26%, and a free cash flow margin of approximately 28%. Strategic initiatives and product innovation. Todd McKinnon, CEO, highlighted key strategic developments. Acquisition of Axiom Security. Okta has signed an agreement to acquire Axiom Security, a privileged access management, or PM, vendor. This acquisition is expected to close this quarter and will enhance Okta's ability to secure critical infrastructure and both human and non-human identities, complementing their existing Okta Privileged Access offering. Identity Security Fabric. The company is pushing the vision of an Identity Security Fabric, an architecture that secures every identity, use case, and resource. This includes robust management of non-human identities, or NHIs, and preparing for the agentic AI future. Auth0 for AI agents. Auth0 is being leveraged to enable developers to build secure AI agents from day one, offering features like seamless authentication, secure credential management, and fine-grained authorization for AI workflows. Cross-app access. Okta is introducing a new open standard called Cross-app Access to control what AI agents can access, fostering security and a better end-user experience across the ecosystem. There is strong interest from partners and ISVs in this initiative. Industry leadership. Okta positions itself as the independent, neutral, and comprehensive identity security platform, emphasizing its ability to secure all identity types without vendor lock-in. They believe the recent market consolidation reinforces identity's central role in security and Okta's unique position. Key financial metrics. Revenue. While specific Q2 revenue numbers aren't detailed in this excerpt, the company is raising its full-year revenue growth outlook to 10 to 11%. Profitability. The company is focused on accelerating growth while significantly increasing profitability and cash flow. Non-GAAP operating margin is projected to be 25 to 26% for the full year. Gross margin. Not explicitly detailed in this segment, but the focus on new product contributions and platform strength suggests a healthy margin profile. Cash flow. Free cash flow margin is projected to be approximately 28% for the full year. Significant risk factors. Forward-looking statements. The transcript includes forward-looking statements subject to known and unknown risks and uncertainties that could materially differ from actual results, as detailed in SEC filings. Competitive landscape. While Okta believes its independence and neutrality are key differentiators, the market is dynamic with other platform companies entering the identity space. Macroeconomic conditions. While previous conservatism related to macro factors has been removed from guidance, ongoing economic conditions could still impact customer spending. Integration of acquisitions. The successful integration of Axiom Security will be crucial. Pace of innovation. Maintaining leadership in a rapidly evolving market, especially with the advent of AI, requires continuous innovation. Highlights. Solid Q2 results with strong performance in large customers, Auth0, new products, public sector, and cash flow. Positive early signals from specialized go-to-market teams. Strategic acquisition of Axiom Security to bolster PAM capabilities. Introduction of cross-app access and Auth0 for AI agents, positioning Okta for the AI future. Raised full-year revenue, operating margin, and free cash flow guidance. Stabilization of net revenue retention (NRR). Lowlights. While not explicitly stated as lowlights, the questions around the deceleration of workforce ACV growth and the time it takes for go-to-market specializations to fully mature suggest areas that require continued focus and execution. The ongoing complexity for enterprises in navigating the evolving identity and AI landscape presents a challenge for customers, though Okta aims to simplify this. Most important statements from CEO and CFO. Todd McKinnon, CEO. We are pleased with our Q2 results, and we're excited about the future with our growing portfolio of modern identity solutions and how Okta secures AI. Every organization will need an identity security fabric. Okta is here to meet them with the most modern and comprehensive identity security in the market today. Regarding the Axiom acquisition, combined, we'll be able to deliver superior security and compliance outcomes for our customers. On independence, Okta has pioneered the modern identity market, identity's central role in security, and the importance of Okta's independence and neutrality. Brett Tighe, CFO. We are pleased to say that neither macroeconomic uncertainty nor federal vertical concerns materialized, and we're removing them from our outlook for the remainder of the fiscal year. The positive signals from Q2 give us great confidence that our increased specialization will drive long-term growth for both Okta and our customers. For the full year FY 2026, we are raising our outlook and now expect total revenue growth of 10% to 11%, non-GAAP operating margin of 25% to 26%, and a free cash flow margin of approximately 28%. Okta is confident in its strategy to be the leading identity security platform, driving both growth and profitability, particularly as it enables customers to secure their journey into the AI-driven future. End of summary.